Did you know that you got 60 different short form video scripts in your Listings to Leads account so that you never have to worry about what you're going to do this week or even today ever again? So, whether you're brand new to short form video or you're a pro at doing them, you're going to absolutely love the scripts that we got. We got a lot of great feedback from our clients on them because it really helps them not have to think of what to do. They can just get our scripts, whether you do it word for word, you paraphrase, or you use them for inspiration. They're going to be your go to help make sure that you're growing and engaging your audience easier and faster than ever. So in Listening to Leads, you got the short form video scripts in two different places. One of them is the tab called social content. It might be behind my face here in the video, but in Listening to Leads, you'll see the tab here right under the PDF guides called social content. It'll land you here. You see it for February 2025. And the scripts, they're so cool. You're going to see them for almost every single day of the week. If you don't see them, I'll show you where to go to activate them in a second. But check this out. So, for example, on the 16th is National Almond Day, President's Day, National Drink Wine Day. You get the idea every single day. And so, I'm going to show you next, though, really how to take that to the next level. For example, National Drink Wine Day. So, you click on it. There's a tab here, a button called View Script. Click on that. So, here's the script. Now, all of these scripts are really great. We get, again, tons of great feedback on them. We give information that is not readily known. So we want to make sure that these scripts are going to be interesting, that they're going to convey something of interest to your local audience. But what you want to do is take the script, click send, and that's going to be your email address. So click send. So open it up on your phone in the email. It's going to look just like this. You have the script in the email, and then you're going to have the information here about how to do it. If you need to download a teleprompter app, you can click either one of these. They got free and paid versions. And if you don't know how to use a teleprompter app, click the blue button on the email or right here in your computer and just play this video. And I walk you through exactly how to use a teleprompter app, how to get the script into it. So it's going to be easy for you to do. Now, here's the kicker. Here's where it gets really good. I want you to find, in that case, a local wine bar. Now, if wine is not something you drink, do this with something else. There, again, National Tortilla Day, Margarita Day, Banana Bread Day. Find a bakery for that one. There's tons of these things that you can do almost every day of the week. So in this case, a wine bar, The Chef's Table in Rockland, California, 6,000 followers, a lot of great posts here. And so what I want to do is I want to take that script, go to this place right here, go to the one that's local for you, record the video, and make sure that you tag the place, but also add that place as being the location that you're at in the post itself. So this way, people that like the place, people that might be looking it up later, are going to come across your post more often. People are going to start recognizing you more. People are going to start getting to know you better. They're going to know what you like. They're just going to learn about your local place from you with these kind of scripts. And the second thing is, I don't want you overthinking it. You don't even have to use the whole script. Use parts of it. We want to engage people. We want to have fun. We want to share value with our local community. You could do a video like this. You could do a picture as well. And you can use a script in a video and post a picture and post a little funny video like that, right? Where you're drinking a glass of wine, where you're drinking a margarita, where you're giving cheers to your friends. So there's a lot of really cool things that we can do here to make this fun. You don't have to record it on the day of. So I can record it today and then I can post it when it's appropriate on the proper day. I can also do a couple of different places. I could conceivably get 5 to 6 different pieces of content between using the script in a couple of places, a couple of videos, a couple of pictures. I have got National Wine Day absolutely covered. And so what I want to do is go through a couple of more of these with you because not all of them are as obvious as that one. For example, next week or on the 23rd, National Banana Bread Day, go find a bakery. National Tortilla Day, go find a Mexican restaurant, right? Guacamole and salsa, here are the tortilla chips. These are so great. National Chocolate Nut Day, National Letter to, all right, I like this one a lot. This one here, maybe do this video today or earlier than February 26th, and find a old folks home, right? What do you call it? A senior citizen home, and see if that's something that they participate in. And wouldn't that be awesome if you're in your local area that you talk to everybody about, hey, you know what? Next week on the 26th is National Letter to an Elder Day, and there is a hospice or there's a senior home that we want to get people to write letters to the people there. If you'd like to participate, DM or comment below. How phenomenal would that be? How would that make you look in your local community to bring joy to the elderly people by getting letters? And that is just a great way of using this kind of content in your local community. National Retro Day. Is there Lori's Diner? Is there one of those stores maybe that sells clothes from the 50s or the 60s or even the 70s, right? Brazilian Carnival, St. Patrick's, you get the idea. All right. National Margarita Day on the 22nd. Family Day, where do you like to take your family? Is there a great park that's known for doing picnics or where the families take their little kids all the time? Right. So there's really nothing on here. National Peppermint Patty Day. All right. Go find a candy store. That'd be a great place to go to. National Umbrella Day. I literally saw an umbrella store a couple of days ago over the weekend. I was in Old Sacramento and there's an umbrella store there. Who knew? But if it's raining, get your umbrella. If it's not raining, it'd be funny you standing there in the sun with an umbrella on National Umbrella Day. You get the idea. There's so many great fun things you can do with Valentine's Day coming up. I don't want you missing that one. So what I want you to also do for Valentine's Day is record some videos at places that would be appropriate for Valentine's Day lunch suggestions, Valentine's Day gift suggestions, maybe the anti-gift suggestions, what not to give your significant other on Valentine's Day. So there's a lot of really cool things that you can do there. In fact, we'll come up with the top 5 list of what not to give your significant other. I think that'd be fun. So you get the idea here on social content. The other place you can go to see all of the real estate related scripts in one place together is the marketing calendar. Now, these are all also within the listing marketing tools with the PDF guides, with the landing pages, but they're also right here just in one place. And so every single week, every single day, there is a short form video script. And you'll see it by clicking, and I'll click through to show you exactly where they're at here in a minute. But for example, every week, you don't have to do it on the exact day, do it whenever you want, but make sure you're touching on this content and using our scripts either word for word, which would be a little bit hard, paraphrase them, which is more likely, or just use them as inspiration, but make sure you convey the value, the call to actions, and the engagement point so that we're making sure that we're touching base and we're connecting with our audience as much as possible. So, for example, every week we want to make sure we're doing a listing, because by doing a listing video like this, in fact, I'll do for an open house, it doesn't have to be your listing. It could be a listing that you do a broker's tour on. So it could be a listing, but what I want you to try to do is make sure that the video for the listing that is for sale is as close to your buyer avatar as possible. And if it's your buyer and seller avatar, even better, because the video is going to be seen by more and more people over time. And so you'll find the listing short form video script right here. And again, it's going to work the same exact way. You got the script right here. You have got the send. So send it to yourself. And then again, if you need the app or how to do it, all of that is going to be right there in the email that you get. It's also right here in the account. But all of these scripts, and again, we get so much great feedback. I've talked to people who went from brand new to this kind of a thing to now getting thousands of views on every single video, some getting 10 to 15,000 views after starting with nothing. But because they're able to use our scripts, they're able to get something out the door every day. You don't have enough time to try to think of it, try to edit it, try to do everything about it, right? Come up with a great idea. We've got it all ready for you. We've got the script right here for you. So I'm going to close that out. You'll see, I'll show you just a couple more examples right here so you get the idea. Every week you want to do a sold pending. Why? Because I want to make sure that everybody in my area is thinking about me when a listing goes, when they think about getting their home sold. And they will think about me more often if they hear about me talking about listings going into contract or listings selling. Like, it doesn't have to be my listing. It can be any listing out there. All right. It can be any listing. But if I'm not the one talking about it, somebody else is going to be, and they're the ones that are going to get that engagement. And I want that engagement to me, not somebody else. So with that, again, you'll see, again, every single day, the PDF guides are so awesome every single day. And again, I don't have to record it on the day of. I can record it whenever I want. Sometimes people like to do them all on the weekends. and then just schedule them out to drop on the proper day. But again, here, marketing tools, about halfway down the list here, short form video script. And there we go. Absolutely free, great content. Again, word for word with the teleprompter app, paraphrase it off the cuff, or just use it as inspiration. But get the videos recorded, get the videos out, because you're only going to be able to get better. You're only going to get good by doing them. You're not going to get good by thinking about it or trying to see how the planning could be completely perfect, because it never will be. And then I'll just show you one or two more here. For example, every Thursday is we rotate 4 different seller messages of value. So the 100-point home marketing plan, our investors offering you pennies on the dollar, I buy your cash offer, home value. So 100-point home marketing plan, again, go to the marketing tools, and about halfway down on the list, you're going to see the short form video script. And there we go. There's the script. So now you have got every single day, multiple different scripts you're using. And there's so many more things that obviously you can do with short form video. So we don't have even everything covered, but you've already got 60 different scripts that combined together and over time are going to really help starting you getting engaged with your audience. So use some of the tips I gave you. If you have any questions, let our support team know. Get yourself into the mastermind group. We'll talk to you soon.